Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Chase statements to OneDrive. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for the Chase login page. Enter your username and password to log into your Chase account. Once logged in, navigate to the Activities tab on your account dashboard. Locate and click on Statements or Documents from the drop-down menu. Choose the statement you wish to back up by clicking on it. Once the statement is open, look for the download icon or option. Select the format in which you want to download the statement, typically as a PDF. Click on the button to download the statement to your computer. Now, open a new browser tab and go to the OneDrive website. Log into your OneDrive account using your Microsoft credentials. Once on the OneDrive dashboard, locate the folder where you want to store your Chase statements. Click on the Upload button, typically found at the top of the page. Select Files from the drop-down menu. Browse your computer for the downloaded Chase statement. Select the file and click Open to upload it to OneDrive. Wait for the upload to complete, which will be indicated by a progress bar. Once uploaded, you should see the statement listed in your OneDrive folder. To confirm the backup, click on the file to ensure it opens correctly. Your Chase statement is now successfully backed up to OneDrive. Repeat these steps for any additional statements you wish to back up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.